Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Paul Mathematics Academy. In today's video we are looking into a nice series. You can see series. It's advanced calculus though, but it's very nice and easy to understand. Alright, the question says summation of n running from 0 to infinity of 1 over 2 raised to the power of n multiplied by 1 over n squared is equal to s. S solve for the value of s. Solution. Now let's get started. All right, you see the beauty of this series now. Very easy to understand. Now the first step you have to take is that, okay, let me firstly write out the question. S is equal to summation of n running from 0 to infinity 1 over 2 raised to the power of n into bracket 1 plus n squared. All right. Now, the first step you have to take is that to shift this sum by n minus 1. This is what I mean. That is, you replace n by n minus 1. Now, for this, n minus 1, this will be equal to 0. Then the value of n here will be what? 1. Now, this n will now be what? Starting from 1, not 0 again. Do you get what I'm saying? N will start from 1, not 0 again. And then this n here will now be n minus 1, not n again. That's what we mean by shifting a series by n minus 1. Alright, then we are going to have s is equal to sum of n running from 1 to infinity of 1 over 2 raised to the power of, now we are going to replace n by n minus 1. So this will be n minus 1 plus, right, this n also, that will be n minus 1. Don't forget the square, everything square. Okay, now this will be equal to sum of n running from 1 to infinity of 1 over 2 raised to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by, now 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So we are going to have n squared. Alright, let's quickly recall something from the law of indices. Now, from the law of indices, if you have 1 over a raised to the power of n, this is going to give you a raised to the power of minus n. Alright, then 1 over 2 raised to the power of n minus 1, this is going to give us what? 2 raised to the power of minus into bracket n minus 1. Then minus times plus, that will be minus times minus, that will be plus. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of minus n plus 1. Then from the law of indices again, if you have a raised to the power of b plus c, this is going to give us a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c. Then 2 raised to the power of minus n plus 1, this will be what? 2 raised to the power of minus n multiplied by 2. So 1 over 2 raised to the power of n minus 1 is now this. So then we are going to have s is equal to summation of n running from 1 to infinity of 2 raised to the power of minus n multiplied by 2 over n squared. So you can now bring these two out. We are going to have 2 multiplied by summation of n running from 1 to infinity of 2 raised to the power of minus n over n squared. So let me quickly introduce the polylogarithm series. From the polylogarithm series, it states that we have summation of n running from 1 to infinity of x raised to the power of n over n raised to the power of a. This will give you like subscript of a into bracket x. Alright, now what's the value of x here? That's 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Don't forget, 2 raised to the power of minus n can also be written as 1 over 2, everything raised to the power of n. Don't forget, 1 over 2 is 2 raised to the power of minus 1, which is also equal to this. So you can easily write this as 2 multiplied by sum of n running from 1 to infinity of 1 over 2 raised to the power of n over n squared. Okay, so your x is 1 over 2 and your a is 2. So I'm going to have x is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 of 1 over 2. Now, what is 2 of 1 over 2? 2 of 1 over 2 is a constant, which is equal to pi square over 12 minus 1 over 2 log square 2. Okay, so we are going to have x is equal to 2 multiplied by pi square over 12 minus 1 over 2 log square 2. So you are going to multiply through by 2. So you have s is equal to, now How many 2 can we see in 12? So that will be 6. Okay? And how many 2 can we see? That will be 1. So we are going to have pi squared over 6 minus log squared 2. Don't forget that pi squared over 6 is equal to zeta 2. So I can write pi squared over 6 as zeta 2. So s is equal to zeta 2 minus log squared 2. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share to your friend who like mathematics. Thank you.